Lelizwe lizolungiswa yazi ngenkani yama-South Africans bengazenza nje ngcono lama-fake intellectuals lawo ama-clever blacks bebiza ama-patriots ngama-vigilants nani but uhulumeni uzowalalela ama-South Africans ngenkani. On Thursday i-IDEC ibihlose ukubopha uGeneral Khumalo. uGeneral Mkhwanazi bezoboshwa on Friday, kodwa kudinga ukuthi beshintshe isinqumo sawo because ama-South Africans are clear ukuthi uMkhwanazi is us and we are uMkhwanazi. Bathe ngokusho kwayo i-IDEC because igcine ikhipha statement bayasaba the way ama-South Africans azoresponda ngakhona, so they had to withdraw kuleyo nto leyo. Singazi-ke noma basazophinde bebanyenyobele yini because bebanyenyobele bebanikeze u-48 hours ukuthi benikele emaphoyiseni. So uyawabona amandla ama-patriots ukuthi mangakanani. U-government kuzomphoqa ukuthi awalalele ama-South Africans ngenkani because awukwazi ukungitshela ukuthi millions of people are always out in the street marching bekutshela imfuno ungitshela ukuthi wena angeke uzokwazi ukubalalela. Uma uthi uzobopha all these millions ngamangaka amaphoyisa. Uma bethi abantu i-deadline is on the 30 of June uthi wena uzobathumela nge-defense force, mabethi abantu kuzobe kuvalwe yonke into like it's national shutdown. Bazohamba ngani because uhluleka ngisho ukubakhokhela, abakazi ngisho ukuthenga imoto. Bazobe behamba ngani beyobopha laba bantu lapho? Ukhohlwa into eyi-1 ukuthi these are our brothers, nabo ba-affectekile ilento eyenzakala eSouth Africa. Emaphoyiseni awu-10 kwawu-5 banawo abadla ama-drugs ekhaya, yabo. So uqonda ukuthi wena bazoyeka ukulwisana nalabo abantu ababa-abuse abaletha ama-drugs belwisane nama-South Africans because nawo amaphoyisa namasosha ayahlukumezeka mabesho bayahlukumezeka. Laba bantu bayaba-abuse because they are being protected. So uhulumeni uzobalalela abantu. Le engake ngayibhala kasesu uPrince Mthombeni yokulisana ne-constitution, iParliament selivulile iwindi ukuthi ama-South Africans asho ukuthi na yini abadinga ukuthi amenduke i-constitution. Umzekelo nje mhlasimpe because le idinga ukuthi ama-South Africans participate kuyona angathuli. Angisakhumbula ukuthi ilukhunjaneni ivulwe for how long, kodwa ama-South Africans needs to participate on this one. Umzekelo, these illegal immigrants angithi ezala as asylum seekers kwakumele enzelwe ama-camps la abazohlala khona. You cannot come in a country as an asylum seeker and then chiki wena usumastende, chiki wena usu-owner ama-business but you are not contributing to i-economy ye-country because the constitution ithi if uzoba a business person you need to contribute at least to 5 million kuleyo country leyo, and then you need to have correct documents. So when ufika as an asylum seeker usu-own ama-business wena usu-renta abantu base-South Africa seberenta kuwena, which is very wrong. So laba bantu needs to be kept kuma-camps la bazohlala khona benakeke lo government, yabo. So iParliament lelivulile iwindi for South Africans to participate. Ziningi izinto ongazisho ema-clinics asidinga ukuthi sishare nalabo bantu labo. Ey'koleni akwazi ukuthi ingane yase-South Africa ngathiwa ayisitholanga isikhala kulo nyaka ngenxa yokuthi kunengane illegal immigrant esesikoleni eyase-South Africa ingafundi while into elikhokhwa i-South African. Like asikwazi guys ukuyishuga khotha leyo. Indaba yobuntu is put on hold okwamanje until further notice. Njengamanje silungisa i-country, so le ukuthi wena uzobasizela abantu while ingane yase-South Africa ihlele laphayana phansi kwe-branch. Njengoba kusebusika ingane yase-South Africa ihlele laphayana phansi kwe-branch ibheme ihunga, yabo, while a-legal immigrant is being protected, yabo. Uma ke kwathi ngente ama-gifts of the givers agijima azabe emafishane because they are benefiting from these illegal immigrants. So kuwo wonke ama-patriots ngisho abethu banibeza ngama-vigilants, banibeza ngani banibeza ngabantu aba-uneducated because these fake intellectuals mase beqala bethi you need to get educated. kodwa this education doesn't help us. Abantu abakhokha intela, they are paying so much, abakwazi uku-enjoy salary yabo, abakwazi ukuyi-enjoya bona because uSARS ubahleli la, and leyo mali leyo is to take care for laba bantu laba abagcwele kwi-country abangaziyo. So nje if ubuka ithele ezinhle, lama matches lawa enzakalayo athela ithele ezinhle. Yes, they will threaten ama citizens, but we need to keep pushing, guys. We cannot be held hostage by abantu esingabazi. We cannot be held hostage. Sekwanele. It's so painful. Sekwanele. Ema-universities kugcwele bona laba bantu. Imisebenzi engabe siyayenza. Ey'koleni kugcwele bona laba bantu. There are teachers who are hired. Ukuba u-teacher is not a scarce skill in South Africa. Umsebenzi ongabe kuthiwa siyawenza, but we are being sidelined to accommodate these people. So nje I am so glad ukubuka ushintsho olwenzakalayo. Kuyajabulisa shame kakhulu.